Here's our next headline.
A U.S. airline company has apologized to the family of an unaccompanied 6-year-old child who was supposed to fly from Philadelphia to Fort Myers, Florida to visit his grandmother, but was instead incorrectly put on a flight to Orlando.
할머니를 만나기 위해 혼자서 미국 필라델피아를 출발해 플로리다주 포트 마이어스로 가는 비행기를 타기로 예정돼 있었던 6살 어린이가 실은 올랜도행 비행기에 잘못 탑승하게 된 데 대해 해당 항공사가 어린이의 가족 측에 사과했습니다. 네, 어떻게 된 건지 좀 상세히 좀 들어볼게요.
Yeah,
What happened?
It sounds like a holiday horror story to me. A real life Home Alone,
Yeah.
except the child was flying alone.
That's right.
So this child was supposed to fly from Philadelphia International Airport to Southwest Florida International Airport in Fort Myers, Florida. He was flying unaccompanied or solo or alone to meet his grandmother at the airport at Fort Myers, but instead the child was incorrectly boarded on a different plane that was headed to Orlando, which is about 160 miles or about 257 kilometers away. So the grandmother who was supposed to pick him up from the airport realized that he wasn't on the plane. She panicked. She got a call from her grandson after he landed in Orlando. And she said, wait there. She drove over to Orlando, picked him up. And, of course, she complained about this. And
Sure.
the airline has apologized. They've offered to reimburse them for the drive. But more importantly, she's asking, why did this happen?
Yeah, exactly.
Right. And they haven't given her a clear answer yet. They say that they are conducting an internal investigation to find out what happened.
네. 그러니까 필라델피아에서 원래는 플로리다주에 있는 포트 마이어스까지 거의 3시간 비행이거든요. 이 비행기를 원래 탑승해야 했었어요. 이제 마이너 미성년자이다 보니까 보통 이런 경우에는 플라이트 어텐던트 한 명이
Yeah.
딱 붙어서
Yeah.
처음부터 끝까지 이렇게 동행을 해주고
chauffeur
케어를 해주죠.
them, yep.
네, 그렇게 해줍니다. 그런데요. 아이가 뭘 알겠어요. 그리고 뭐 티켓을 봐도 뭐 이렇게 뭐 잘못됐는지 뭔지 그런 건 잘 모르겠죠. 근데 플로리다 안에 있는 포트 마이어스가 아닌 한 250km 떨어진
Yeah.
올랜도로 가는 비행기에 잘못 탔습니다.
Maybe he wanted to go to Disney World. I don't know.
Who knows?
I mean, he called his grandma and said, hey, I'm in Orlando.
그래요. 그래서 이제 이 손주가 일단은 플로리다에 있는 올랜도에 도착을 해가지고 할머니한테 전화를 뭐 한 모양이죠. 할머니가 나 공항 나와 있는데 너 어딨니? 그래서 저도 공항인데요. 알고 보니까 이렇게
It's
좀
the
멀리
wrong airport.
전혀
Yep.
다른 공항으로 가게
Yep.
된 겁니다. 그래서 정말 아찔했을 것 같아요.
Of
그렇지만
course.
이제 결국은 할머니가 운전해가지고 손자를 잘 픽업을 해서 만나긴 했지만 항공사에다가 어떻게 된 거냐?
Yeah, what's going on?
딱 이게 경로가 정해져 있는데 제대로 태웠어야지. 왜 이런 일이 발생하냐? 그래서 항공사에서 사과를 했답니다. 자, 한번 표현 볼게요. The boy was traveling unaccompanied.
Right, unaccompanied. So here, he was traveling without his parents. And that's what it means. So he didn't have any companion or an escort. When we talk about unaccompanied music...
It's a hard one to pronounce,
yes,
isn't it?
it is hard to pronounce. We often use this for music, so
Yeah.
it's something that's sung or played without instrumental accompaniment.
Exactly. Accompaniment,는 반주입니다. 그래서 unaccompanied라고 하면은 무반주로라는 뜻이고 음악에서는 그렇고요. 이제 우리가 동행을 하다라는 뜻으로도 be accompanied by 누구누구 그러면 누가 같이 간다는 뜻이지만 be unaccompanied면 아무도 동행을 하는 사람이 없다. 그러니까 여기서는 이 아이가 부모 없이 가족 없이 갔다라는 의미이기 때문에 unaccompanied를 썼고요. 그러나 이제 flight attendant가 항시 붙어 다녀야 되는 그런 시스템이긴 하죠.
Yep.
거기서는 이제 가족이 아니기 때문에 여기서 그래도 unaccompanied 쓸 수 있는데 the boy incorrectly was put on this wrong flight.
That's right. So incorrectly means in a mistaken way or wrongly or not in accordance with particular standards or rules.
Incorrectly. 잘못해서 틀리게 라는 뜻이 되겠습니다. 자, 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. A U.S. airline company has apologized to the family of an unaccompanied 6-year-old child who was supposed to fly from Philadelphia to Fort Myers, Florida to visit his grandmother, but was instead incorrectly put on a flight to Orlando. Let's